Hey guys, I know I have like the messiest desk situation going on here, but I'm happy to have you guys here with me today. And I have so much going on, but I accept it with a great heart, or I'm just grateful. And yeah, so today I want to talk about the importance of video and how we are leaving things behind by not getting in front of the camera. So I had a few meetings this morning, and this morning I signed yet another client on from a video that does not have a lot of views, but is specific. So it's targeted to a specific group of people who are using systems and things that I use in their businesses. And so when they find it, they're able to go into the description and find out who I am and how I can possibly help them in their business. And so that's why having an online presence, especially through video, is so important. Now, the awesome thing is that when they find me and they somehow get into my funnel or buy my courses or whatever it may be, you know, they're able to, oh, wait, hold, let me put my glasses on. I don't know if y'all saw my new glasses, though. Anyway, they're able to get onto my site, contact me, and find out how they are able to work with me, or how I am able to really help them, because that's what it's all about. How can we help people get to the next level? How can you serve somebody? But you have to be saying how you can serve, or showing how you can serve, before someone entrusts you to do specific things for them. So in essence, video is super important. First of all, if your video tells a story, remember that that's the way to separate your content from someone else's content. Like, what's your experience with whatever it is, or what's your story with whatever it is. And so we don't have to go outside of our comfort zones and buy things or buy fancy things to connect with people. No. Use the things that you have around you. You like this water bottle? Do a review on it. Why or how has it changed your life? And so you'll start attracting people who need a gold water bottle and probably use it in their workspace or office. And you know, you want to niche down, like, you know, you want to attract specific people. You don't want to attract everybody. And when we get onto YouTube or we start using video, we start thinking about attracting everybody that we can think about. Like, let me just do this, or let me, you know, I want 1 million views, or I want, and that's not creating specific content. So if you're creating content with a specific strategy and a specific goal, that's what makes it different. So this year I have made much more money from people who have seen a video that I did, loved my work, figured that I can help them in some way, and contacted me than Google AdSense would have ever paid me. So that's like 3 things. First of all, you need video in your business. If you are stepping into 2019 and you haven't started just yet, now is the time. Don't know what to talk about on camera? I will link my video strategy workbook below. Number 2, definitely don't go out of your way. Like, use something to create content that you probably use in your daily life that people just like you need, because it's helped you in some way. So maybe your experience can help someone else. And thing 3, maybe it was just 2. Anyway, oh, always create a way for them to contact you. Make sure that your description box has your website, what you do, how you can help someone move to the next level, and things like that. So think about what you want to be known for. Think about questions that people ask you all the time. Think about things that you want to talk about specifically because it's possibly life-changing to you, and create content around it, specific content for a specific group of people. Dive into my workbook. It's really helpful. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for hanging out with me.